In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Bass Pro Shops gift card balance. We'll go through each step, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Type Bass Pro Shops into the search bar. This is your first step toward checking your gift card balance. It's important to use a trusted browser for security reasons. Once the search results appear, look for the official Bass Pro Shops website. It should be one of the top results on the page. Click on this link to proceed. This ensures that you're accessing the authentic site, which is crucial to protect your personal information. Now that you're on the Bass Pro Shops homepage, glance over to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Gift Cards. Click on this option. This section is where all the magic happens. It's designed to help customers manage their gift cards easily. After clicking on gift cards, you will see an option labeled Check Card Balance. Go ahead and click on it. This is an efficient feature that saves you a trip to the store just to check your balance. Next up, you'll need to enter your card details. Carefully type in your card number and the PIN associated with your gift card. Double-checking these numbers is a good practice. A small typo here can lead to errors, so take your time. With your card number and PIN entered, look for the button that says Check Balance. Click on it to proceed. This action will retrieve your current gift card balance, ensuring you're ready for your next shopping adventure. At this point, you should see your remaining gift card balance displayed on the screen. This makes it simple to keep track of how much you have left to spend. Remember, checking your balance regularly helps you plan your purchases better. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable and your card details are correct. It's always a good idea to keep your PIN secure, as it protects your card balance from unauthorized access. And there you have it, folks. Checking your Bass Pro Shops gift card balance is straightforward and quick. By following these steps, you can manage your gift cards with confidence. This little step can save you both time and unexpected surprises at checkout. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your shopping experiences. Until next time, happy shopping and tight lines.